The number of homes for sale is down again as the holiday market sets in. Hello and welcome to San Diego Market Watch for November 30th, 2023. If you're new to this channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you'll get this update each and every week. Let's dive right into it. The number of homes for sale was down last week after climbing for about 4 weeks in a row. We thought maybe we were getting some more inventory, but now it's down because new listings took a real dive during the holiday week, and they normally do, although this is more of a dive than we're used to seeing. And if you look at the scale of this graph here between 300 and 500, in a more normal year, these lines would be trending between the mid 500s and the mid 700s in terms of just the number of new things happening every week, closings, pendings, and new listings. So the fact that this looks so dramatic is not necessarily all that dramatic. However, we were already starting at historic lows, and just look at the number of closed sales last week. Obviously, again, a holiday week, so we don't expect a lot of closings, but this is absolutely the lowest number ever recorded in the history of the MLS, which is 27 years in terms of the number of closings in a 7-day period. Pendings trended up a little bit the week before Thanksgiving, and new listings came down and then down again, which is primarily the reason for the downtrend here. Now, the reason this market is behaving so strangely is because interest rates continue to ride in the 7s, although look at what has happened in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. We are down in the low 7s on average right now, which is actually much better than we were 6 weeks ago, where interest rates were hovering near 8 and over 8 for a lot of people. So this is actually good news. And if you do the right kind of purchase offer on a property, or if you're a seller and you offer the right kind of incentives, as a buyer, you can get your rate down into the 5s right now if you play your cards right and have a great agent. So you know, things are definitely looking up on this slide. Now, we will look at this slide again, even though we've looked at it already this month. We were off last week, so I'll just remind folks where we are. The last 2 months in a row, median price has been down, although was showing a leveling off last month. We will see what happens next month. I anticipate we will see a bit of a leveling off of the median price over the next 2 or 3 months. And that is primarily just because we are seeing new listings and pending sales riding very close together for the most part. And this is going to keep this number of homes for sale relatively low. As long as most of what's getting listed is getting sold, prices aren't going to change that much. So that's what's going on. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. We love to talk to people about these videos and about the market, so feel free to comment or reach out offline. Always happy to have a conversation. So until next week, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.